Here's a quick little video to illustrate just how trim work can really pull together even new homes that often have very plain walls and just lack character. This is a recent project that we did. It just got painted. Customer contacted us because their house felt kind of plain. You know, it was a big open floor plan style home. They wanted to do an accent wall on this wall just to kind of spice things up. And then they also wanted to do some wall frames in this room to give it a more elegant treatment. So that was a pretty obvious one to do. You can see uppers and lowers that we did. But I recommended that they carry it through these other areas, the passageway, the back hallway, and then the second hallway as well. And then you can see how dramatic the dining room changes by adding wall frames, and even had to do some shop-made laminations to pull off those curved ones rather than using, flex molding or something.